joining us again on Sailing on LaVenture. We start our third season. Our fall episode's coming up. Share our adventure sailing from Little River, South Carolina, all the way in record time to Stella Maris, Long Island, Bahamas. We have a great crew this season. You're gonna love them. Stay with us as we kick off episode 1, Leaving Little River.
It's been a long, hard season. I'm feeling weary to my bones. I guess that's my reason. I've packed my bags and now I'm gone. Somewhere between the sun and the deep blue sea. That's very tender red.
Here's Mike and Craig. Well, we got a great day to welcome Mike and Craig aboard. Beautiful weather. It's in the 60s and sunny skies, and it's warm. Yep. The wind's coming for a couple days, and then we'll head out on Friday. So we have a delay till Friday. Most people know we were going to try and get off on the 1st, which is tomorrow, Thursday. But here's the front coming in, and it's going to be here a couple days, and we're going to have some wind. But thought you might like to see this thing roll in over the marina. It's kind of cool. We're sitting here kind of in awe. Okay, so we have our new cover for the engine that Lisa was real excited to get. It doesn't say Yamaha on it, and it can stay on the engine all the time. And it looks good, fits great.
Good morning, guys. It's Thursday. One more day in port for us as we plan to leave tomorrow, Friday, probably around 11 to noon. Hucks, you can see I got their fishing stuff ready to go. We're going to use one of those squiggly things there that's green. So I wish you were here to help me fish. We're staying in really a beautiful, beautiful marina right in North Myrtle Beach, and it's awesome sunny this morning, clear skies. So although I've never done this before and it's creates some nerves, I think it's going to be really exciting few days at sea here. Randy's toy. We're droning here this afternoon, getting it ready to go. I know you're looking right in the sun, probably hard to see.
We had a successful drone launch and got some pictures of the Lightkeepers Marina in Coquina Harbor. But now the tricky part is getting it in and practicing with Mike, catching the drone, and he's got it. He's just about got it, and I'm bringing it in one more time, and then Mike's got it. Awesome. So Mike and Craig are getting our fillet board all set up and ready for all the fish we're going to catch.
It's confidence at its best right here.
Absolutely.
Precision tape application.
But now it's done while we're standing still, right?
Yep.
How thick?
A little bit more, I think.
Got a little bit of a rainy day here, but good day for preparation. Okay, so Sebastian's been working on our Code Zero, and it's ready to install.
Yes, sir.
And you want to tell us a little bit about the sail?
Yeah, the sail's made out of a 1.5 ounce nylite by Contender, and it's on a CX15 furling unit, top-down furling unit from Selden. So we're gonna see about getting it put up here in just a few moments, and I don't know if the wind direction is gonna be right for us to open it up, but we can try to open it up and see how she looks.
Sounds great. And you're going to give us a little instruction on it.
Give you an instruction on how to rig it all up. It comes in the bag and everything's ready to roll right out of the bag. So you just hoist everything up already rolled up on the furling unit, and from there you can run your sheets and your furling line back and go ahead and unfurl her and go sailing.
Okay, let's get started. This is awesome. Got it.
Little more slack on your green sheet. Take it all the way up.
It's so exciting. We're raising the Code Zero for the first time. It's orange and turquoise, and it just looks awesome. And we're getting it raised and tightened, and then we're going to roll it out for a test. Everybody's excited. Okay, here it goes. It's out. Orange for Lisa and turquoise for the Bahamas. It's amazing. We're seeing it out for the first time. We're so excited to be able to sail with it. Cool. Sebastian is rolling it in, we're furling it, and getting a really tight wrap so it won't come out when it shouldn't. And we are just about done.
Okay, hold the green and the red tight. Both sheets.
Both of them?
Yeah, hold both of them. Nice slack in your hand. There we go, that looks better.
I'm busy. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Okay, so we're just enjoying a beer here this last night before we're taking off for Port Canaveral, and then obviously the Bahamas is our final destination. And Mike and I and Craig are sitting here, and Sebastian brought us some nice koozies for our beer and a sticker and everything. And yeah, beautiful, super nice sail. So we got a Code Zero finally. We're excited. It's orange and kind of turquoise, don't you think? So Bahamas, and then Lisa's got her orange, which hopefully will be pretty exciting. So again, our last night, and we'll see you on the water. One of my most important jobs, getting the boat prepped and getting ready to make especially an ocean passage, is to check the weather and work with Predict Wind, an application and company based out of New Zealand. And I am able to see what the weather will be for our entire trip and look at routes that are actually determined by the different weather models. And I can also see the Gulf Stream virtually, so that I can make sure that our route does not cross the Gulf Stream going the opposite way. This keeps us safe and gives us a pretty good ETA on when we will arrive. Okay, Craig, what have you been doing to get the boat ready this morning?
This morning now it's been relatively calm, but we got a few things to do, and I was in charge of the cleaning off the deck with some bird poop and things like that.
All the fun stuff.
Really
Jeez, Craig, you did some other good stuff too.
No, I did other good stuff. Got the gaff out, so we're ready to fish, and we got the hoses in. We're down to the power and getting close to takeoff time.
And Mike?
All right. Well, I secured up the Code Zero and tightened up the jack lines and boiled some eggs for a quick snack on the way.
Well, and I think we're going to be ready to shove off about 10:15. We got to wait for the office to open to get some ice. Can't leave without having the ice chest full. And I've gotten all the navigational and stuff all put together, ready to go. So I think we're going to go out just at slack tide, low tide, slack tide. So we're going to have to watch our navigational beacons.
Yes.
We don't have much draft to this boat. It's only a little over 3 feet. I think it's about 3 feet 8 inches. So it's not much. But again, we're going to go out at low tide. And we're expecting to be in Port Canaveral on Monday about 9 o'clock or so. So we're excited, and it looks like we got great weather. And the boat's clean, thanks to Craig. It's just sparkling clean. So, and we got everything organized and pretty much put away. We checked the bilges this morning. So, I mean, I think and again, like Mike said, he's got the Code Zero ready to go. So I think we're going to be off. Another important job which Mike is doing for us is a thorough examination of the rigging, the lines, the boat, the systems. And we have actually been doing that over the last 3 days. But this is our final prep, and Mike is walking around LaVenture making sure that all the lines are coiled, everything is attached properly. This is one of the most important jobs before we can leave the dock. Mike is checking the sheets for our new Code Zero, making sure that everything is tight and not loose, can't get tangled when we roll out the jib as we enter the Atlantic later today. And Mike is also checking all the lines that we have attached at the bow to make sure, again, nothing's tangled, everything is free and clear, and we are able to get to a line quickly if needed. Mike sees that our bridle that we use with the anchor is not tight. He's checking to make sure that it's attached properly, and then checking the port side of the boat for the sheets with the Code Zero. Everything is looking great. He's testing everything, but it's all looking good for departure. We're all getting excited.
Channel.
In the summer, there's just tons of boats. There's commercial boats, there's sightseeing boats, there's all these little tiny, and then there's those tiki huts you don't want to swamp because there's just nothing to them. I wish you could, I'm sure they don't go this time of year.
All right. Let's knock it out of the park.
Yeah.
Ready?
Be a good thing, right?
Yeah. I think you're right. Just coil it and we'll drop it in there, yeah.
All systems are go. We're ready to cast off our line. It is time to go at last. 11 o'clock. We're getting off right on time. Mike begins to untie and uncleat all of our dock lines.
Look it up here.
We are off. Okay, we are off. Mike's at the helm and we're headed up the intercoastal to the inlet to the Atlantic, and we got our jackets on because it's cold, but we got sunny skies, so not much traffic, so we're making good time. We're at slack tide, so we're actually going close to 6 knots up the inlet, or up the intercoastal towards the inlet. We're glad that you're all following us, and we'll keep updates through InReach. So try and post once a day a text on our course line to give you some updates. So thanks for following along. So Mike, we're off. I know. Everyone, we found the ocean. It's out there. And we're headed that way. Just minutes away. Thanks everyone for watching. This is the first episode, departing for the Atlantic. Many thanks to the crew, Mike and Craig, and also thanks to Sebastian at Black Dog Sail Loft and the crew at Lightkeepers and Loggerhead Marine. Don't forget to subscribe and join us next week as we head offshore towards Florida.
To start the rebuilding of life.